Ryan, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain how computers think using logic gates. Logic gates are basically the building blocks of all electronics. Phones, laptops, robots, even your smart fridge, they all use logic gates to make decisions. And guess what? It's all based on two things, 0 and 1. That's binary, baby. A logic gate is like a tiny switch that takes inputs and gives outputs based on logic rules. The input is usually 2 bits, 0 or 1. The output also 0 or 1. You send in a signal either on or off, and the gate tells you what happens next. It's like a decision maker that only understands yes and no. Let's read on the first one. Number 1, AND gate. It gives 1 only if both inputs are 1. 0 and 1, nope. 1 and 1, yes sir. Like you can play if you finish your work and clean your room, but you can't if you only finish your work but you don't clean your room. Number 2, OR gate. It gives 1 if at least one input is 1. 0 or 0 is still 0 or 1 is still 1. 0 and 0 gives 0. Example, you can go out if it's sunny or Saturday. But if it's not sunny but it's still Saturday, you can still go out. But if it's neither, you can't. Number 3, NOT gate. This takes just one input. It flips the value. 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1. That's why it's called the inverter. It's like the NOR gate. Always does the opposite. Now, number 4, NAND gate. This one is like an AND gate, but gets flipped. It gives 0 only when both inputs are 1. Every other case, it gives 1. Think, it's an AND gate that just says psych at the end. Number 5, NOR gate. This one's the opposite of OR. It only gives 1 when both inputs are 0. Anything else, you get 0. So yeah, like saying only yes. Only say yes if absolutely no one else does. Number 6, XOR gate. That means exclusive OR. It gives 1 if the inputs are different. No, 0 and 1, that's a 1. 1 and 1, that's a 0. It's picky. Wants exactly 1 yes. Super useful in stuff like cryptography and comparing data. Number 7, XNOR gate. That's the opposite of XOR. It gives 1 if both inputs are the same. So 0 and 0, that's 1. 1 and 1 is still 1. Only when the inputs are different does it give 0. It's the loyal one that wants total agreement. Logic gates are further divided into 3 different types, which are basic gates, universal gates, and exclusive gates. Basic gates are the AND, OR, and NOT. These are the gates that build every other logic gate. Then there are universal gates, which are NAND and NOR. You can build any circuits using NAND and NOR. Then there are exclusive gates. They only fire when inputs are different or the same. Then there are some gates that are rarely seen or used, which are IMPLY, INHIBIT, and buffer. You barely see them, but they exist. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and look out for our part 2, Truth Tables. Thank you.